Hello and thank you for tuning in, everybody. Hope everybody's having a good day. I just got my 2025-26 Topps basketball jumbo hobby in. I had ordered a couple hobby boxes and some blasters for the pre-order, and then ordered this on release day. I'm pretty sure this is my jumbo hobby. I'm about to open it and find out here. Make sure you read down below to see how to get into the giveaway. Once the channel hits 150 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. Giveaway prizes are a 2025-26 Topps basketball blaster, 25 Topps update baseball, a Nick Kurtz call-up rookie card, a Cooper Flag first pick draft card, along with a Dylan Harper and Cooper Flag Topps Now rookie card. So here we go. Topps has the license first time since 2009, so it's been about 16 years. And in this, we're of course looking for Cooper Flag, autos, and cards. Dylan Harper. Also, LeBron signs in here, and Steph Curry, two future Hall of Famers. Would not mind grabbing an autograph of either one of those guys, as well as several other prominent players. So I opened up one of the hobby boxes, did fairly well in it, and did pretty good out of two of the three blaster boxes that I got for my pre-order. Pretty sure I ordered 5, and looks like they took 2 off. They are limiting how many boxes that you could buy, whether you'd ordered them from Topps or you're ordering them from Target, etc. Topps is trying to make sure that collectors get this, and the people that are just buying it to resell the boxes to flip it are having a harder time. So inside the hobby box, we get 1 silver pack, but the jumbos we get 2. So I'm going to open up these guys last. So I almost have the complete set on the base cards anyway. This is actually a set I'm going to put together along with some of the inserts like the Clutch City and possibly the 8-bit ballers. So out of the jumbo, you get 10 packs, 40 cards per pack. I'm just going to take them all out of the box now to make it a little bit easier. I'm not going to go through card by card like I did. I would imagine now, the release has been out for just a little over a week, that everybody's seen these in possibly this format. So let's get right into it. I've not pulled the base Cooper, but I have pulled the Rising Star, or Stardom Rise, along with a Clutch City, which is pretty nice. I did get the Dylan Harper though, which was good. So we got Johnson, Westbrook, South Beach Celtics, AJ Green. So on the jumbo hobbies, the hits are kind of going to be in the middle. And the jumbo hobbies, you're guaranteed a relic and an autograph. You can also pull an additional relic out of the silver pack. So stars, Anthony Edwards, and who do we get? G.G. Jackson on the 81 variant. Ooh, here's a Drake and a Roundball Remnants relic card. So there's the relic card to start us off with right out of the first pack. If you saw out of the hobby box, I pulled a flagship real one, gold foil, which is a chance to get one of those gold foil flagship real ones. It's 1 out of 6,888 hobby packs, and I think it was like 1,700 jumbos. Cheers, Jalen on the Stars of the NBA. Ooh, Proctor on the Blue Sandglitter. The Sandglitters are exclusive to the Jumbo Hobbies, by the way. The blues are obviously a little bit more rare. Unfortunately, they are not numbered. So you got Jones, Proctor on the base, Shaq, Hanson, Piers, Jerome, and Johnson the third, rookie. Actually, I'm just gonna put these guys here. So pack number 1 started us off with the relic. Let's see what pack 2 has to offer us. Valamago, Post, Holland, Bronny, Lopez, Irving. There are golden mirrors in this, by the way, just like there is with the Topps baseball. So make sure you check the back of your cards for that golden mirror. Usually in these they'll be like in the center, but sometimes they can be up front. I've had that happen before. Daily Dribble. These are exclusive to hobby only. Dwayne Wade. Put the parallels here, actually. Hey, Rise of Stardom. Dylan Harper. Take it. That in the better. And Sandglitter. Trey Johnson. Clayton Jr. There's a D. Wade. Dirk. Rishi Fleming. Newell. Steve Kerr. Throwback there. He's been the coach for the Warriors for quite some time now. Thomas. Daniels. And Gonzalez. So pack 2 down. Pack number 3. So the Blue Sandglitter out of a jumbo. They're saying it's 1 out of 6 packs out of jumbo, and that it's a SSP here, which stands for super short print. But so that means basically 1 out of every box at a minimum, which again, it's not a high rate of pull there. Oh, we got a second Daily Dribble. You typically only get one of these out of a hobby box, whether it's a jumbo or regular. So it's going to be the Celtics here. So Jason Tatum. I did pull a Cooper flag out of the hobby box for that. And we got the No Limit. Ace Bailey and the No Limit. We'll definitely take that. Oops, sorry, people. Hit the camera. Duran on the blue. This one is going to be to 14 out of 150. Carmelo Anthony. Lake. Knopple. There's a Victor. Clayton Jr. Another D. Wade. Another Dirk. Victor also has signed cards in here, by the way. I know it's not his rookie year. 23-24 is his rookie year. It only signed with Topps. Topps did not have the actual license, so you can't see the Spurs or NBA on there, but he does have signed cards in 23-24. So, on to next pack here. Getting close to halfway through the box. Tatum. Apologize if you hear any background noise. It's Halloween, so the trick-or-treaters are coming. I have my brother answering the door. Rise to Stardom. Who do we have here? Bulls. Okay, we'll take it. Oh, Yuan on the pink 81. James on this looks like the MVP bowl. We got a gold. Duo Dazzles. Theo, Rhea. Bill Russell, who has the most NBA rings, if I remember correctly, 11. There's Kareem. Irving, Powell. There's a take a Harper, Walker, McNeely. Still no Cooper base. Okay. Well, right here puts us at the halfway point. It should be back pack number 5. Porzingis. Mary Green Ball. Adethero on the No Limit. It's kind of a cool looking card. Is that not numbered? Okay. CJ on the 81. Knoppel. Ooh, there we. Oh wow, Knoppel autograph. Well, yeah, we'll take that. Not the one of the few I'd want, like Harper, Cooper Flag, of course. I'd even take LeBron or Steph Curry. You know, that's Curry's and LeBron. They're both future Hall of Famers, but hey, I'll take it. Rise to Stardom. And Sandglitter. Pacer Vets. There's a Mr. Irving Magic Johnson. Used to love watching him play, him and Bird. Never knew where he was going to throw the ball to for a pass. Bird could just pop it up and drop it in. Speaking of Callbringer. Jalen Williams, Blake Lively. There we go, finally. Derek Queen and Clifford. Unfortunately, the autos. Oh, this isn't Knoppel. This is oh yeah, it is Knoppel. Fortunately, it's not an on card. It's a sticker auto. Hey, I'll still take it. Not a bad deal. He has good potential. that did pretty good in college. Kolick Williams, Pazimski, Porter Jr., Magic Johnson. Oh, on the rainbow foil there. That's pretty cool. And is this a Mr. Dillon on a no limit? Yes, that is. We'll take that. And Zubik on the Sandglitter. Laner. There's Larry. John Stockton. Stockton to Malone, that was a big thing back in the late 80s and early to mid 90s. So there we go. So 4 packs to go. Ben Simmons, Green, Collier, Henderson. A lot of base cards. Smith Jr. This is Liam McNeely on the new school. These are tough pulls. These are basically one per hobby box. No limit. Thomas. Robert Williams on the Sandglitter. Ben Saroff. Martin. J.G. Jackson, he was a rookie in 23-24. Barry, Spud Webb. So we got Wiley, Behringer, Edgecombe, Cedric Howard, and Jace Richardson there. So by the way, on the pre-release and the pre-order of these, the hobby boxes were 110. The jumbos were 229. On release day, the jumbos were 239. They are being sold on the secondhand market for a ridiculous amount. I wouldn't pay more than probably like $3 to $325 for them. In the hobby box, I wouldn't pay more than like $150 to $160. You could still get blasters and hanger boxes and fat packs at retail places. Like I said, they're limiting your order. Topps still has some blaster boxes on the website. Fanatics has a special box. It's 2 additional packs. They're $30 a box. They just released yesterday. So just, if you want these, shop around a little bit. Don't pay crazy prices. The mega boxes come out either November 3rd or November 6th. And you'll see them on the Topps website. They'll be $65-ish. And then the stores, retail stores like Walmart, Target, GameStop, they'll probably be $65, $70 in between there. So just so you have a heads up. There was somebody that's prominent in the hobby who has a big hobby store, and he was upset that when the pre-order was out, the pre-order was done and gone, and all of a sudden on eBay and other sites you started seeing the hobby boxes going for $220, $240. Well, he's a dealer for Topps, and he was basically selling them for $220 himself. So that was pretty sad to see. There's a no limit for Trey Johnson. Oh, and we got Wolf on the Blue Sandglitter and the base. Young, Pairs, Strong. So when you see these, it's very hard to see, but this is like the all rookie team. Just so you know. I know when I did the hobby box, in the blasters, it was hard. I couldn't really see them. It was hard to see. But that's what that is. There's also ones with the MVP. That looks very similar to that. So second to last pack here, and then we'll hit the 2 silver packs. Levitation again. These are almost like one card per box. Tough pulls. Oh, there's a Gillis. Take that. That's actually a really cool looking card in person. Tatum on the NBA. Oh, started. Shaq on the blue. Wow, that 3 Blue Sandglitters. That's crazy. It's basically the odds are like 1 out of 6 to 1 out of 8 packs. That's 3 in this box. Nald. Lemon. Ace Bailey. James Watkins. Last pack. Last regular pack. Can we get some last pack magic? Hopefully some last pack magic on the silver packs. Because you can possibly pull an autograph out of the silver packs. I've seen people pull autos out of there. Some big ones and then not so big ones. But hey, an auto's an auto for a decent player, right? Oops. Rise. Let's see here. Take it. Therese on the 81. I kind of thought there'd be more 81s coming out of a jumbo, but Lanchero. Murray and the Sandglitter. Fleming. Newell. There's a KG. Another Steve Kerr. Jackson. Thomas. Daniels. Gonzalez. Jones. Proctor. And another Shaq. So that was it. Just one base Cooper out of the whole box. That's it's the first Cooper I pulled, and I've opened several blasters that you've seen videos of. A couple that I didn't do the videos of in a hobby, and now the jumbo hobby. So that's the first. And now we have the 2 silver packs. So knock on wood here. There's something big in one of these silver packs. So these are Mojo with the 81. So we got Cam. Ooh, we got a green one. Gonzalez, Celtics green. to 99, 34 of 99. That's big. And then for the Heat, Tyler. So last pack. Very last pack for this box. Regular and silver. So we got Kevin Durant there. Joker. Donovan Mitchell. Russell. And it is Carter Bryant. So there you have it. So make sure you read down below. When the channel hits 150 subscribers, I'll be doing a giveaway. Giveaway prizes are a 2025-26 Topps Basketball Blaster, a 2025 Topps Update Baseball Blaster, a call-up card for Nick Kurtz, a Cooper Flag first round #1 pick card, and a Cooper Flag and Dylan Harper together Topps Now rookie card. And there might be another item or two in there. So let's just do a quick little recap. We're in the Sandglitter, the Rise to Stardom there, O'Neal on the Blue Sandglitter, the Wolf on the Blue Sandglitter. We have Trey Johnson III on the No Limit, Watkins on the Rainbow Foil, Williams on the Sandglitter, Thomas on the No Limit, Liam McNeely on the New School, Zubek on the Sandglitter, Magic on the Rainbow Foil. Then we have the Pacers on the Sandglitter, Edgecombe on the Rise. I do Thero on the No Limit. Then we have the gold here. James Harden on the MVP. Berenger on the pink 81. Oils on the No Limit. Duran blue. This is a true blue. 14 of 150. The Jason Tatum on the Daily Dribble. And then Dwayne Wade on the Daily Dribble. And then the Proctor on the Blue Sandglitter. And Johnson on the regular Sandglitter. And better than average cards here, or better players as well. We got the Gonzalez Celtic Green to 99. This is 38 of 99. Ace Bailey. And then Shea on the Levitation. Those are much cooler cards in person than what you see in video. We got the Dylan Harper on the No Limit. Ace Dylan Harper. Then we got the Ace Bailey on the No Limit. Dylan Harper on the Rise to Stardom. Then of course we got a Mr. Cooper Flag base. And then we have the Roundball Remnants relic card of Drake Powell. And then last but not least, we got the Canapple Auto. So there we have it. Thank you for tuning in. Good luck and happy ripping.